Welcome back. So I have this gargantuan box full of stuff that I need to open because it's officially fall, y'all. I'm excited. So let me get this up here just to show y'all the size of this box. This the box. It's not staying up here. I'm gonna have it next to me so that I could empty it out. I had taken one pair of shoes out of this. And when I say it's fall, y'all know it's about to be like some fall type stuff. So I love boots. For those who don't know, I love boots. I wear combat boots year round. I love boots. Knee-high boots, thigh-high boots, calf-high boots, ankle boots, booties, flat boots, like boots. Okay, so I had some heeled combat boots that I took out, and I actually got lucky and didn't take out the other ones, but this has been so long, I don't even remember what the hell is in here, so I will be genuinely surprised when I take these out. So I'm gonna start with this one, and yes, I be shopping at these people thing. I do have a subscription program, don't judge me. I'm blaming my mother. I might wear these today. So we got us a cute little booty, a little zip in the back. Oh yeah, and they all black. That's one thing I know for sure. Oh. But yes. I got some fat calves, so I have to get like the wide calf ones when I get like the really high ones. So yeah, I like this though. Cute little block heel, so it'll be comfortable. Yeah, these are the ones I'm wearing to work today because I got on a little dress and that'd be cute with it. I feel it. Tis the season, baby. What did I say? Tis the season? Tis the season. Okay? Fall started yesterday, so that means today's the 23rd. For those of y'all wondering, September 23rd is TK's birthday. But yeah, fall started yesterday and the temperature dropped accordingly. Listen, y'all gonna remember this because I'm about to say it, but this is probably the best, like, I don't even know how to word it. The best decision I've made regarding temperature change, because I don't even want to know what the weather is where I was before. Not interested. So yes, that's the first pair. Completely excited. Let me put them up here so y'all can see. So this is them. And they got a little thing, got a little thing, got a little zip, you know, cute. All right, so these are good work boots though. Like, these are good, comfortable work boots. They might be the work boot. What else is in here? Oh, this box I came open because I had, oh gosh, please don't drop. Okay. Oh, all right, which ones are these? Oh, okay, these are a little weird, but I don't care. I love them. I love me a good platform boot. I forgot to mention those platform boots. Love. I don't know why I got this little pocketbook thing on here. Can I take this off without damaging the boot? Yes, I can, because it has a buckle, so that means I can slide it off. But that's cute or whatever. These look nice. I like them. See? Yeah. There was a sale, okay? Don't think I spent like more than $60 on all of these. But yeah, if that actually. But yeah, that's that. This is cute. I don't need to take the other one. I only undid the other one because I'm wearing them today. But yeah, I like these. A nice little heel, not too bad. I like it. Oh, my alarm's going off. Snooze. I need to go to work. And what's this one? Is this empty? I put the empty shoes back in here. Wow. Oh, that's the box for the one that I took out originally. And this is the finale. I should show y'all the ones I took out originally. Oh, okay, so I'm not that excited, but I'm still excited because I thought these were regular flat combat boots, but they got this little lining in here. But since the climate is a bit warmer, can I tuck it up? Yes, we are definitely tucking these babies up. I love Okay. I did not just do that. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, now I prefer them to look more shiny leathery, but this is fine too. It's like, you know, that old whatchamacallit. But I really like these. Usually my preferred combat boots come up like to here. So, you know, they wrap a little bit under the calf and such. These are just ankle. But I love. And if y'all want to buy me shoes, I wear size 10. But yeah, I'm happy with these. Shoot. I might bring this on my trip with me. I don't know. We'll see. But yes, definitely like that it has this. I forgot where I was. I personally, on a regular basis, prefer it without the lining and like a little bit higher, like I said. But listen, like I said earlier, 'tis the season. So when in Rome. When in Rome. So that's it for my low-key advertisement. Because all these boxes just had to say the brand name on it, didn't it? I'm about to start sweating because I got all these lights on and it's hot under this hair as well. But yeah, stay safe. Make sure y'all put on some chapstick. Thank you for watching. Just like every other episode, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you listen to all the podcast episodes that are out. Come on, man. Y'all tripping. Like, come on. Come on. What's stopping you? What's stopping you? Stop you. So yeah, check out the podcast, check out the unboxes, check out the unmoldings, go buy some ashtrays. Yes, there's still ashtrays online. I haven't made any since relocating, but go buy one, you know. Yeah, I might put a little coupon code in here. It's fall. I do have a fall ashtray. Did somebody buy that already? I gotta go check. But anyways, just like everything else we do over here at Pointless Talks, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless unboxing. Bye.